What is up, guys? My name is Mireya. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my baby toddler room tour. I've actually wanted to share this video for quite a while, but I finally got to editing, and since it is the beginning of the year, I wanted to share so many other videos with you in this channel. I would like to share one video per day for the month of January. So in case you have missed the other videos, I'm going to put them on a playlist so you can view the other videos. These are going to be from house to home, organization and cleaning, what products I use to clean my home. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn the notification bell. That way you're notified of the next video I post. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Welcome to my son's room tour. To get started, let me just mention to you guys that we wanted to do Avengers, but we wanted to do the baby version, but there weren't many things available in the baby version, which is why we decided to go with the Avengers. And we were so lucky because everything we purchased at different times, but we were so lucky because the movie had just came out, so there was so many things on sale at different stores. All the furniture, we purchased it at IKEA, and we purchased it as a set for about 500 bucks. You can always check at your IKEA store to see if they still have it available. I know they have it in pink as well. I'm going to be doing an overview just so you get the idea of what the room looks like. So this is where the door is. This is the closet, which I'll probably show you in another video later on. As I mentioned, all the furniture, we purchased it at IKEA. We love the bed because it's really small. It's a toddler bed, but you can actually stretch it out to be a twin size bed. And it comes with a small mattress, but there's an additional piece that you add on. And we're probably going to be doing that later on once our son gets a bit older. The small tin that we purchased it at around Easter time, so they had this available, and we're probably going to be putting his crayons in here. We also have the basket in the back, the Captain America basket. This was also purchased during Easter time, so you might not find this at the store at this time. You can always check online. They always have things online. As you can see, we have a little monkey egg. It's so cute. He has a couple eggs in there, but no more candy. These are the baby wipes that with the toddler Avengers that I mentioned to you guys. We wanted to do the small Avengers for his room, but there weren't many things available. We also have this lunch bag and this lamp that we purchased at Target. All of the wall decals we purchased on ebay.com, and my husband's the one that purchased them, so I'm not quite sure what the prices were. I'll probably be listing a link in the description box below of all the things that I can find links to, that way if you're interested in any of these products. The wall decals, the Iron Man, the Captain America, they're pretty big, guys. I'm not sure if you can tell in the video, but they're a pretty good size, and you just need two people to put them on because it can be a little tricky, and you don't want any bubbles on the wall decals because then they're going to fall apart much sooner. Some of the products that I don't mention links to, they were gifts. The curtains we purchased at Target. I'm not sure if they're still available, guys. I hope they are. Many things are still available because I have walked into Target before and they still have them. Like the plush animals, the Captain America and the Iron Man that are on the bed, the pillows, those are still available, and they have so many different characters as well. this dresser or this furniture piece, we bought it at IKEA. The little containers we also purchased at IKEA, and we have some of his toys in here. We're not quite sure what we'll add on later on, but for now this is all he has. He also has a Captain America costume that we purchased at the Disney store. He also has this blanket. We thought it was so cute, and we'll probably be taking that out in the winter time or when he gets a bit older. This is a dresser. You can hang clothes on in here. We're not sure if we're going to be hanging clothes in here or just putting his toys in here. And there is a blanket also in the bottom. That one was a gift. So I'm going to be showing you the dresser, what it looks like from far away. And we're probably thinking of adding a TV in here, just because we spend so much time in here with our son. But we're not quite sure because we've never really liked having a TV in the children's bedroom. But that's just something that we're thinking about, just because we spend so much time in here and we can always play with him and then watch a little bit of TV for us. But we're not quite sure yet. At the top of the ceiling we got another decal, and I really liked this one because it has a beautiful meaning to it. And the reason why we put it here is because we want to put his bed here in the future, so that way when he's laying down he can always look up and read it for himself, or I can read it to him every night. Before you were conceived, I wanted you. Before you were born, I loved you. Before you were here an hour, I would die for you. This is the miracle of love. I love this decal and the meaning of it and what it says. It's so beautiful. And that's why I decided to purchase it and put it in the wall. We could have put it in the ceiling. We could have put it in one of the walls, but I liked it in the ceiling. On the other side of the room we have, I don't know what it's called, but it's like an organizer where you can put books, or we're probably thinking of adding another one at the bottom just so he can put some of his toys on the top. And we decided to put the books up here because at night we can always grab a book and then read it to him before he goes to sleep, and he can choose what book he wants. The comforter pillow set, we purchased that at Walmart, and I think that's still available as well. The plush pillows, Iron Man and Captain America, like I mentioned, we got those at Target. And the stickers on the bed, we also got those on eBay. We have his walker here, and that's pretty much it. Oh, one more thing. On the bottom we bought lights, and my husband bought these at ebay.com, and we like it because it has a remote control and you can always change the colors to it. This is what it looks like in the dark, and I'm also going to be showing you what it looks like with lights on. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If you would like an updated toddler room tour, just let me know in the comments below, because things have changed since I recorded this video a while back. The carpet that my son is on right now, we bought it at Bye Bye Baby, and we really like it because it's really cushiony, and we were afraid he would fall when he was learning to crawl, so this was perfect for him. And we decided to put that in his room later on after I had recorded the room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for the support. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget, one video every day for the month of January. I am so glad it's the new year. I hope you guys have a happy new year, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.